The railway crossing is located in Nagpur, Maharashtra. It is called Diamond Crossing because it is the point where Indian Railway meet from north to south and from east to west. This is only of its own kind in the world and present only in India. If the tracks of Indian Railway were to be laid out, they would circle the earth almost 1.5 times. Delhi Iron Pillar age over 2300 years that have no special coating to maintain, and it is pulled by an ancient Indians, but till now no rusting can take place there. In India, no matter where you are, not more than far away than 7 kilometers from a temple. There is a temple in India which has 6 walls and all are closed for more than 500 years. Government of India opened 5 of them but unable to open 6th wall. It is opened by 1 month. Nobody knows it. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's memory in a dream. Your brain creates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Just similar to fingerprints, everyone has a unique tongue print. Your brain makes seemingly conscious decisions in 7 seconds before you are consciously aware of them. It is a fact that people take fastest decisions when they are playing video games. Tiger can and will take revenge on those who have do wrong with them. They are one of the most vengeful animals on the planet. A shrimps, which is a type of aquatic animal, has hurt in their head. Jellyfish have been around for more than 650 million years ago, which means that they outdate both dinosaurs and sharks. Cheetahs cannot roar but instead meows like house cat. An electric eel is known to produce electricity insufficient enough to light up 10 electric bulbs. A bird's feather weight is more than its skeleton. Peacock will do a dance to get a meal. Ravens have large brains compared to other birds. Seagulls can drink seawater as special exocrine glands located above their eyes help eliminate excess salt from their body. An American goldfinch's nest is so well constructed as it can even hold water also. Trees can send warning signals to other trees about insect attack. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world and some species can grow up to 35 inches per day. These trees don't touch because of phenomenon known as crown shines. There is a tree that is so poisonous, rainwater dripped off its leaves will burn your skin, which is called manchineel. Skeleton flowers have such delicate petals that they become transparent when it rains. The sun may be older than the earth, but the water we drink is older than the sun. If you collapse an underwater bubble with a sound wave, light is produced. Nobody knows why. There is underwater waterfall in the Indian Ocean. There are underwater rivers that flow along the ocean floors. 70% of the oxygen we breathe is produced by an ocean.